Now people are joining.
Okay, good. Whether they join or not, we need to complete the topic, right? That is our intention. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
At least one is there. We will continue. They may see recording if they are really interested, or else I need to justify the topic. That is my intention. Now, good to go. I think already it is visible for you. Now we are moving to Windows here, CMD. There, what is that? Helm LS, Again, QCTL, get nodes of the now Helm. There, I need to go for uninstall. What to do? CDIR parent chart or maybe CD parent PA. I think today 2 o'clock class I have attended Shankar. I think no, right? Afternoon, 2 to 3.
No, sir. I didn't
No.
attend, sir.
Okay, cool. Now, why I'm talking in that way in the sense, see, we started dependency concept. You know the meaning of dependency? One parent chart will be there, maybe associated dependency chart means child charts. One parent, multiple childs may be possible, right? One parent, multiple childs, that is the possibility here also. But one child, multiple parent concept here is not available. One parent, multiple childs. Now, if you want to check it, now that you need to go for notepad, there chart.ym. See, dependency concept totally dependent on chart.yml file. If you know this concept is very simple. Generally, we are having these 5 or 6 options: API version, name, description, type, version, and app version. This is the chart related information. This is dependency charts related information. Today afternoon, we discussed related to alias concept. Same chart I want to use in two different areas for dev environment, for QA environment. How many deployments will happen? This is parent deployment and two child deployments. Is it clear for you? If it is okay for you, we may move on to next topic. This one you need to understand. This is the URL, same URL. I am using more than once. If you use same URL more than once, maybe overriding will happen. If it is overriding will happen means only one deployment will happen. My intention, same deployment for development, same deployment for QA. They're for development stage, they are installing, they are deploying our application. For testing purpose also, same application they want to deploy. At that time, this concept is very useful. Now we'll move on to the next one. You know it. They're going to fold us. I hope one step back. I think 27 is finished. Now we're moving to 28. See Helm dependency condition. They're very simple. Condition means, see, I'm having three charts, but I want to deploy only one chart. Sometimes is it required, right? Even I given one diagram. My WordPress wants to interact with maybe Oracle, maybe MySQL, maybe MariaDB. It may not interact with all the three. Everybody know it, right? Front end is going to communicate with one backend. At that time, this type of implementation is very useful. Anyway, we'll try to see with Helm dependency condition. Just to move on to the documentation. Yes. Now see here, production implement condition for enabling or disabling subchar.child. Already I said, right? You want to deploy or you don't want to deploy. Override subchar, child char values from parent char. That is also possible. That is also possible. What is the meaning of overriding? You may specify some instructions on parent chart that will reflect on child chart. Sometimes you may specify some modification child chart that will reflect on parent chart. Both will happen means yes, it will happen. It is saying like that. Now understand the importance of condition when defining dependencies by default. If we if the condition is defined or not condition, this is my chart dot enabled. See, default is enabled only. No need to tell enabled. By default, one is enabled only. Okay, chart is enabled when defined. To disable it, we need to explicitly make it false. See, generally enabled means true. If you don't want enable, you must specify the false condition. True, false in values. That's why I'm not. Okay, anyway, this one already, I'm taking same thing, I'm copy pasting. See, try to implement this. I'm copying this. I'm copying this one. Where I want to paste it, I want to paste it. Copy. You know where to paste? Within the chart.yml, notepad chart.yml, right? I am taking this. See, very beginning days at the time of teaching Helm, I face a lot of struggle, but now I'm feeling very happy with this all the options. See, dependencies. This is the my chart 4. They are taking one chart name is my chart 4. One more chart is my chart 2. This version is different. This version is different. What their intention now? Whether this option is there or not, no worries. By default, what I said, enabled or not. By default, one is enabled only. Here, how many charts totally will deploy quick response? How many charts totally will deploy? One
Two,
parent,
sir.
two childs. Is it clear for you? First we'll try it. First we'll try it. Then we go for we may disable at least either this one or this one. First I am already enabled. Yes, click. There condition my chart 2 dot enabled. Here also my chart 4 dot enabled. Condition my chart. Okay, we'll try to deploy it. It may give an error, then we'll try to change it. Now, help. What is that? Help dependency, DEPN, right? Helm dependency. What I need to give? Helm dependency. First, I need to go for build or maybe upgrade. UP update. First, we need to see the list at least. You may understand. See why it is show, it is saying missing already today afternoon we discussed, right? Anyone can quick response. Shiv Shankar, just now we added. Are you agree with me?
Yes,
Just now
sir.
we added. It is not downloaded. We specified the chart, maybe subchart names. This this is not loaded. How can I say it is not loaded? Now try to understand. CHER. Yes, charts. Now DIR. It is showing which information not related to 4, not related to 2. Or agree with me? See here, my chart 1 is there. Even I can delete it. How can I delete this? How can I delete this quick response? Tell my chart.
Uninstall.
That's all. Oh, this is the file I got deleted, zip file. Now check it. Is there any file in this? No, right? Nothing is there. Nothing is there. See, try to understand whenever if I go for build, I am going to build now. Helm dependency. First, I need to come one step back. Their Helm dependency somewhere I written, right? They are not list build session. The BUILD build. Whenever if I build it, it is going to download. It is going to download that chart related information where it is placing within the charts folder. Within the charts folder. We may check it now. Really within the charts folder that information got updated or not. Yeah, it is. Maybe we need to get the prompt right. Downloading. See, my chart 4 is downloading as well as my chart 2 is downloading and deleting outdated charts. The remaining any other is there, it got deleted. Now good to go CD, CHERTS. Now check it DAR. See, is it available or not? Two zip files got downloaded. Is it clear for you? Once chart information got updated, then only we can able to deploy. Otherwise, you can't deploy. How can we deploy? CD dot dot. Now helm CLS helm install maybe Siva just dot. What happens? Now see kubectl get SVC. Here you can easily understand get SVC. Now check it. how many deployments happen? Check it. 2 or 3 or 4. Check it. 2 or
Yes.
3. What are those? Siva with parent.
Parent.
Yeah, Siva with child chart 4. Siva with child chart. Got it or not? Got it or not? 3, 2, 4, double 4. If you want to see the output, you can see it. How can you see it? Local host colon 3, 2, double 4. Even you may check it. 3, 2, double 4. 3, 2, double 4 to local host. Local host 3, 2, double 4 to
3 2 sir.
3, 2. Yeah, 3, 2. Am I getting output or not? 3, 2, double 4. 3, 2, double 4.
So their parent having load balancer, sir.
Parent having load by NGNX is the check it. Parent having only NGNX related. Your intention is what? It is going to
Yes.
load balancing? No. Shivashankar, it is very simple concept. See, you are not my family member. I am not your family member. Both are traveling in one bus. Maybe possible or not?
Yes, possible.
Same concept here. There is no load balancer concept. See, this is the main chart. Under two charts are one. But this is individual, this is individual, this is individual. But what is the advantage? Something problem got created in this assume. Siva, child chart 4. If you want to pass some message to from parent chart, yes, we can possible to pass. Suppose from 4 to parent, we can pass it, we can pass it. Communication is happening, Shivashankar. That is the thing here. If you want to provide communication, we can able to provide communication. That is only the thing. There is no concept of load balancing. This is common load balancer, right? This is common load balance. Their duty is what? With local host, we are working. Their duty is what? With the local host, including which one? Node port. You know it, right? What is the difference between node port and load balancer? Quick response, anyone? If you use load balancer, you can directly access your application without port publishing. Or agree with me? But if
Yes,
it
sir.
is node port, without port you can't access. Without port you can't
Yes.
access. That is
Yes,
that.
sir.
But in real time, 99% we never use node port. 100% we can use only load balancer.
Sir,
If anyone using notebook means they are learners, even in industry also. They never use notebook. Notebook is used for to communicating with the local system. Local system means this is my laptop. Through my laptop, I want to access my application. Only for test applications we can use notebook. In production, we never use notebook. In production, we must use only load balancer. You must remember this point. Or else we may confuse their company people also. We may make use of notebook. We can try to work on. They may see from top to bottom. I hope you got it. Clear?
okay, sir.
Good. Now,
So here chart.yml we need to mention a parent. There
uh,
we need to mention type equal to load balancer, sir.
type is for parent. Yeah, already there. This is load balancer is there. In these two areas, what is there? Type is equal to type colon.
So node
Yeah,
colon
that's all. For these two also we can place load balancer, but
load balancer.
we are using Docker
Yes,
desktop,
yes.
right? Docker desktop.
Yes, that was my doubt, sir.
In
Yes.
Docker
Clear, sir.
desktop, how many load balancers will work at a time? At least tell me the response. In Docker desktop, only one local host will work. Only one load balancer will work. Suppose if I try to mention here also load balancer, it won't see anything. Here also I may get none. Application won't run Center. This is the problem within Docker desktop. Docker desktop they may not use in real time, right? They may use EKS, right? Are you agree with me?
Yes, yes.
In
Agree, sir.
EKS, we can use many number of load balancers. Is there any problem? No, no problem. But in real time, they may not use load balancer directly. They may use which concept? Ingress concept. I hope you understood already. We discussed about ingress in Kubernetes. Why do we go for ingress concept? Ingress is the internal load balancer. It is going to, the client is communicating with ingress. Client means end user. That NGNX will going to communicate with specific application with the help of service, even with the help of type cluster IP. 100 cluster IPs are there. I can able to communicate with only one load balancer, that to NGNX ingress. I hope you understood. Ingress is the internal load balancer. Through internal, we can able to communicate with which type of services load balancer with NGNX load balancer will communicate. NGNX load balancer is going to communicate with type is what? Type is what? Cluster
Cluster
IP.
IP, sir,
Why,
default.
why we are giving cluster IP? Cluster IP is there means that is the secured application, that is very secure. No one can communicate directly through Nginx load balancer only. We are able to communicate with specific container with the help of service. That service type with cluster IP. That thing you need to understand. I hope you got it a little bit. Now we are going to. I hope till now clear. How to enable, now we need to know how to disable it, right? How to disable it, you have to know how to disable it. See, my chart 4 enabled colon, what it was there? False.
False.
What to do? I want to take this, their update values.yml values for, okay, good, copy this. Where should I paste? Everybody know it, right? Where do I paste? Quick response.
In
Not,
chart.yml, sir.
not
CD
bad.
dot.
Not bad. Shivashankar, not bad. Values.yml. Shivashankar, where I want to paste? In values.yml.
Values to
Yeah, wherever that is your wish. Maybe beginning I am pasting. Fiber star. Control. Control. My chart 4. See, dot values. My chart 4. My chart 4. Okay. Did I mention anywhere? No, right? Is it? I hope I am not wrong. We may check it. 100%. We need to paste it in chart.yml or maybe values.yml. There are user which one? Okay. We may check it. If it is not working, 100% you need to paste it in chart. I hope this is the right one. Thinking like that. Now what to do? We may
Helm
remove
install.
it. LS, right? We need to remove first. Otherwise, fourth conflict may happen. Like fourth conflict may happen. Now, what to do? Helm,
Helm uninstall Shiva.
uninstall, install. Shiva, right? Now we are going to. There little bit I modified, right? That's why we need to go for again. Helm dependency DEPENDENCY. I think it is not required. Helm dependency. What is that? Helm dependency. What is the command? Build, right? BUILD.
Builds.
Generally, build command is for child charts only, but I modified in child chart or parent chart. I updated in parent only, right? I updated in parent only. This is not mandate, but anyway applied. So documentation once again, we will refer. Values for child chart with the chart name. Where there are values for child chart. Values in the sense within the values.yml. See, they mention Shivasankar. Update values.yml. They given clearly, right?
Values.yml.
Clearly they mention.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. No confusion. For that I am giving the clarity. Now what to do? I think those are updated. Updated. See, if it is updated, what is the thing you need to get? That I didn't tell. I may show you. Helm dependency, where I use Helm dependency, list station. Now check it. There you may get OK. OK means everything is fine. Everything is perfect. Everything is
Downloaded. Completed.
downloaded. Download completed. And now what to do? Helm install. There again Seva. That dot. Now we need to check kubectl. Get. I hope they're false, right? Two areas. Seva. Not SVC, right? SVC. Now check it clearly. Why it is not getting subchart, child charts, Both charts, what I specified. In both charts, what I specified, true or
False,
false. Got it or not?
false. Yes.
Now tell me. I want to get chart 4 only. Please guide me. I want to deploy only chart 4. There.
In place of false, we need to give
Yeah,
it truth.
yes. There. What is that notepad? Tell me. Notepad
Notepad values dot YML.
values.yml. Now where to modify? There in chart 4, wherever false is there, that going to specify true. Am I correct only, right? Yes, save it. We'll try to upgrade session. That is good for us.
Upgrade only.
Helm upgrade.
Helm dependency
Yeah, I think no need because of we changed in parent only, right? Helm upgrade. UPGREDE Siva dot. I think I am not wrong. kubectl get SVC. Now check it. Is it deployed or not? Check it. This is parent. One child got deployed. But see, I'm having two children. I want to go for one function. I am the parent for with one child. Why? One child got false, one child got true. Is it clear for you? Yes or no?
it's clear.
Good. I hope everybody know this one. I think nothing is there. We are in the end of this. See, you know this meaning, atomic, right? If anything going wrong, it won't install. See, failure, what is that? Release names, it will not display.
It
Unfortunately,
will not display.
if something got failure means it won't show failure releases. That is the thing. Show resources, you know, right? Show resources, you know, what it got deployed. What it got deployed means parts and service information and deployment information we can see it. Child chart will not be deployed. Why? kubectl get deploy, kubectl get deploy list dependency according to their information. Both are false, right? That's why they are telling. Shivshankar, somewhere they mentioned, right? Both got false, right? Yes, see, they are telling according to documentation, they're explaining both charts will not deploy. That they given that message. Don't think differently. I hope this is clear for you. This documentation is clear, yes or no? Now, even
Clear.
you can see Helm status, right? See, you may see that also. Helm status. What is that? Siva, right? Helm status, that is the release name. See, that is the status. A revision is to, and hyphen show resources are there, right? Hyphen show hyphen reso your sequence. It is telling Siva, the child chart for one, what is that service name? See, V1 service. In the same way, V1 part. In the same way, V1 deploy. V1 deploy. I hope you understood. Now we are going to one more documentation. Even just now we have seen 27 and 28. Now we are moving to 29. Or moving to 40. Helm dependency. Again, condition alias. Condition alias. Now good to go. Condition alias. See, already we discussed aliasing. Already we discussed aliasing. Their alias already you know. And the condition there. See that alias name with enable. Is it clear for you? They are not telling chart. They are telling with alias chart name dot enable. Extra thing is Shankar. I understood why they are telling like that. I said same URL they want to use more than once. Why they want to use same URL more than once? Very simple, right? They want to deploy in dev environment. They want to deploy in QA environment. Got it or not? Same application they want to deploy. Even you know manual process also. I'm giving quick implementation. See, you may know one step I am going to back. See, this thing already you know, but I am going to clarify. Maybe dir star dot yml. You may check it. Assume anyone I am taking there are so many names are there. Maybe RS related or something. RS dot yml is there, right? Notepad. Please try to understand. Notepad rs dot yml. See, some deployment is there or not, or agree with me? This is one deployment related application. Docker, hands-on, Java, web app, to something it is there. Whether it is running or not, leave it. I want to deploy in a default namespace as well as Seva namespace. Maybe possible or not? Quick response. I want to deploy in two different namespaces, same application. Why I'm going to deploy in one application, two different namespaces? Try to tell me one scenario. See, is the cluster, within the cluster, this is one namespace one, this is one namespace two. Try to understand this namespace belongs to dev namespace. What is the namespace? Development namespace. What is this? Tester namespace. What is this? Maybe production. Maybe possible or not, or understanding or not. Why we need to deploy in different namespaces? Anyone can quick response? This is the
For
interview question.
recognition.
No, very simple answer. For process isolation. What is the answer? For process isolation. For process ISO, LAT. I think you know the meaning of isolation. Even try to respond in Telugu also. What is the meaning of process isolation? Even try to respond in Telugu meaning.
Separations.
Yeah, good. This is the clean separation. What is the clean separation? There I am deploying my application here. There I am deploying one more application. Here who will work with this? We assume four developers may work with this. They may do their activities. Here two testers are there, assume. Here two testers are there. They may going to test this application. Is there any confusion? Is there any interdependency? Anyone can quick response? Clearly, these four are communicating with this. Got it or not? Clearly, these two are interacting with this application. Is it clear for you? Is there any ambiguity? No, right? That's why clean separation. This is the process isolation. This is the namespace. This is the namespace. By default, namespaces can communicate with each other. Yes or no? Tell me the answer. By default,
No.
namespaces not able to communicate. Not communicate. But with RBAC only, RBAC, concept, right? RBAC. Always access control. There we can mention through network. Through network. Through network concept. Then these two namespaces, is it possible to communicate? Yes, it is possible. They asked in one interview to Markunda sir. Namespaces can communicate with each other. By default answer is no. But through RBAC only, we can able to communicate with each other. Role-based access control. Now, good to go. I think, yeah, shall I deploy? I think no need, right? Everybody know, right? kubectl apply -f. Then that is rs dot name -n. That is the default. In the same way, -n will go for maybe Seva namespace or Dev namespace or Seva namespace. Got it or not? Same procedure, same procedure. In the Helm also we are following. See, alias name I took. This is the different unique name. Again I'm taking one more alias name. This is the different name. Are you agree with me? Up to this common, here is the dev, here is the QA. Both got enabled means yes, we can enable it. Both got disabled means yes, we can disable it. These two names, where did they mention? Within the values.ym. Is it clear for you? Within the values.ym. Check it here somewhere they may write. Got it, Shivshankar? See, child chart over dev enabled false. Child chart over QA enabled true. Child chart to enabled false. Overall, three charts are there. But only one will deploy. Remaining two will not deploy. Why they are taking alias name is same URL they are using twice. That is the special thing. Same URL they are using twice. Check it. Stack simplify. GitHub.io. That is the Helm chart 4. Here also Helm chart. Here also Helm chart. Here also look like Helm chart. You may ask a doubt. How can I know? Here also same. Here also same. URL is look like same. Shivshankar, three areas. Are you agree with me? Try to observe. Anyone
Yeah,
can.
agree, sir.
Even though these three are looking same, see the version information. See what is the version information here.
Versions
0.4.0.
was different.
Here see version, please observe.
0.1.0.
Here see the version.
0.1.0.
What
Helm.
does it mean? What does it mean? Same chart. Here is the same chart. I'm using twice. Here a different chart. Maybe chart is same. Version is different, right? If versions are different, it may consider as different one. If versions are same, it may consider as single one. Is it clear for you? Even though version is same, I want to consider two different. At that time, you go for what? That is the special case. What is the name? Alias. What is the name?
Alias.
Alias. Good. Now I think I no need to implement this. I hope you know it. I hope you know it. Quickly I'm explaining. I hope this one already you know. Helm dependency, even update, Helm dependency update, parent. Even no need to mention parent. It will automatically update, right? This is the short name. Helm dep update parent. Even Helm install, you know release name, even you know chart name, icon atomic. Remaining things are very common. Very common. The resources for child chart 4A should be created in addition to parent chart. What does it mean? Parent will automatically deploy not only parent but also child chart for QA. Why QA only will deploy according to this document? See, why only QA will deploy? Enabled is what? Enabled is what? True. That's why it can only deploy. Remaining two will not deploy. Now try to ask me any question regarding this. I hope you got the clarity. Yes or no? If it is yes, we may go for one more poll. We may go for one more poll. Now I'm going to move. Not getting any response from your side.
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. Now 30th Helm dependency tax. This is also one of the powerful feature. Even everybody know Ansible, right? What is the use of Ansible tax? Quick response, anyone? What is the use of Ansible tags? What is the use of
Include
Ansible
specific tasks.
in Ansible task? Ansible task. You want to run a specific task. Even though we are having, if we assume 100 tasks are there,
Multi.
100 tasks are there, you can specifically we can what is that you want to install there, what is the word you can use in Ansible, what is the word you may use?
Tags.
And over tags only, but you want to their modules, right? You want to install, you want to there you want to update, right? There any specific module you want to install it, then only you can go for task. Based on the task only, that module may be installed. In the same way, here also assume we are having multiple things based on the task name, we can easily work with. Concept is very simple here. See here, they specified EAGS tags. What is the name they specified? Front end. In the same way, here also specified tags, front end. Front end. Here also specified tags, front end. Again, here also specified tags, back end. See, fortunately, if I use tag name front end, how many charts will deploy? Because of front end word,
Trees.
for three charts automatically will deploy. That is good for, right? Generally, we may deploy applications for front end as well as back end. Some charts you want to install for, you want to deploy for front end. Some charts you want to install or deploy for back end. Here see the specified tags, front end false, back end false. I don't want front end as well as back end. I don't want front end as well as back end. See, both you want to install it, both you need to specify, both you. Maybe front end I don't want, only back end I want. I need to specify true. Yeah. Maybe both possible true, both possible false. One is true, one is false, or one is false, another is true. These permutations and combinations are possible to implement. Are possible to implement. At least we may.
Sir, here not possible. The child versions different.
Which one? Tell me. Child,
Yeah,
child.
child versions in different versions was not possible or possible.
Yeah, possible. Same thing. Previous scenario, whatever we did see 1.0.1.0. Here also what it is there? 0.1. If version is same, then you go for alias. If version is different, no need of alias. At least have you understood, Shivshankar?
Okay, sir.
If version is same, then only we need aliasing. Otherwise, no need of alias.
Different
Otherwise,
versions is also will work out, sir.
yeah, work
Yes.
out. 0.1.0, I may go for 0.2.0. This is also good. Got it or not? If two different versions are there, what is the need of alias? At least tell me. I think no need, right? Is it clear for you?
No needs.
That is the thing I am telling.
Without alias concept, we need to given different versions, sir.
Different
Okay.
version. Even though different
Okay,
version,
sir.
we can specify aliasing. Here see at least 0.4.0. Even though that is different version, they specified alias or not, tell me. See, my
Yes, sir.
chart too.
Yes, sir.
This is the child chart too. Why they specified? In future, if you wanted same version, then it is useful. I hope you understand. See, really no need.
Yeah.
Really no need. Why no need? Only one time I am using. If you want to use more than one time, then it is actually very useful. Then it is very useful. Little bit you confused or maybe you understood. Tell me. Shall I take?
Understood, sir.
Understood. What Chandrasekhar? Understood or not? There they specified tags backend. Tags backend. Suppose here, see, they here. Tags column front end false, back end false B. See, it won't install anything. No child charge. Only parent, right? Only parent. See, I want to install specific. I'm taking same thing. Quick guidance we understood. Go with the dependency. From here I want. Up to this is needed. Copy it. Copy it. Now where to paste it. Now quick guidance CD parent, right? Right. Now notepad chart, right? Chart dot wire. Good. There I'm removing dependencies. Control. Now here anything modification you try to tell me. Even if you want it, we can modify. If you want it, you can modify. See what when we go for tags for alternative for condition. Are you understanding? This is important. You may ask me, sir, conditional tags is both required? No. What is the alternative for what is that? Why do we go for tags? Tags are alternative for condition. Tags are alternative for
Condition.
condition. Now
Condition.
try to implement before going to this, save it. Now we need to go for Helm dependency. Helm, tell me, HELM, Helm, DEP dependency, build, right? Build,
Yes.
that's all. Anything going missing, something? I go, please update the, oh, I didn't update Helm dep, UP, update. That is mandate. Why mandate? You know it, right? You need to download. Shivshankar, you need to download.
Yes, sir. Yes. Downloads. The status equal to okay.
Because of a new chart is that's why we are getting that message. See, this was downloaded. This is not downloaded. That's why you got that message. Now Helm dep, right? Build. Now you may got three OKs. Three or four, I think. Three or four. I think maybe three. One is same, right? Twice, I think. Now I want to see the list, right? Helm dep list. L DEPLIST list. You can check it. So I got four OKs. Two times same chart, right? Two times same chart. but 4 and 2. 4 and 2.
3 times.
Yeah, actually 3, but 4 times it is showing means 2 times is we are using same one. Are you agree with me? Yes. This is chart 4
Yes.
with 0.1.0. This is 3 times same chart, right? 3 times same chart. Okay, good. Now what to do? Help.
Alias name was different.
Yeah, alias names are different. Yes. Now Helm upgrade, right? Upgrade. Upgrade. What to do? Helm upgrade. What is the name? I hope Siva only, right? Helm
Yes.
upgrade Siva.
Yes.
What was the problem? The Helm. What is that? LS.
LS.
I hope Siva only the right one. Is it for revision 2? We got an error or not getting an error? Helm upgrade UP. Spelling correct only, right? Require 2 arguments. What was the problem? Help. I forgot to give dot, right? Check it. Not good. Now, kubectl, get SVC. How many charts got deployed? How many charts got deployed? Siva parent,
Not for dev
Siva
tier
child
1, tier
2.
2.
Okay. Why it is got deployed all the because of in values.yml. I didn't mention those information. Got it or not? What I said? By default enable I said, by default disable I said. By default,
Default
enable,
enable.
enable, enable. Now what to do? I need to go and copy and paste it.
Notepad
Notepad,
values.yaml.
values.yml. There, this one is not required. I need to go for a tags, right?
Tags.
TA,
Yes.
GS tags, colon. What is that names? I think front end, right?
Front end.
Front end,
Front end.
and back end. Now go and get it from, this one. I will put this one. Where is that? Where is that?
Down, down.
This one, this
There,
one,
there's.
this one. Copy it, copy it. Now we're going to paste it. There, one with this control. Now I may upgrade. I may install only parent, right? Why parent? Because of false we use it here. Because of false. Now up arrow. Again I'm upgrading. Version 4 got now kubectl get this. Now check it. Only one parent got deployed. Remaining four not deployed. Why four not deployed means? Their tax
They are
representation
given
having with false,
false.
false. Got it or not? I hope I am not wrong. Today we started with 27, 28, 29, 30. That's what I said. Within 4 days we may finish this concept. Tomorrow morning I may finish again 3 to 4 quotes. If it is clear for you, I may stop here. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow morning. Up to 30 is clear, right? Tomorrow morning, I may finish all the dependencies related things. Now, again, four are there. Their override. This is also some special thing. Override subchart, override parent, like that. Subchart global values, dependency import values, dependency import values. Which one help dependency import values? I think small variance is there. We need to check it. Yeah. Values explicit, values implicit. Even last batch also, somewhere we got confused, right, Shivshankar? There we discussed this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You may see tomorrow morning, again, those things clear. If it is clear for you, I may stop here. Remaining things, we'll see tomorrow morning. Again, morning, maybe 7 to 8 as usual, class will be there. Again, I may give the message based on that. Right, got it. Thank you.